Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now today's video was going to be a Patreon video, however I recognise I've not posted a video on X for a while, so I thought what better than to make a video on the total market cap, and we'll take it all the way back to December 2022, so a long time ago now, where we posted this chart on the total market cap. It did in fact end up being the bottom of the market back in December 2022, and just our projections back then for the RSI and the logarithmic MACD, and a couple of things that we wanted to start to see to play out. Obviously we wanted to see the price of the total market cap get back up to that 4 trillion mark, and we wanted to see the RSI and the averages start to converge and move to the upside. When you take a look at price, it's pretty much nailed on that high end, but I want to get into the nuances of this because I don't believe we're done yet. We haven't quite seen everything that we wanted to see, so I don't believe that is the top for the total market cap, and I believe we've got a little bit of a stretch to go here. So we're going to jump into the current charts with the updated RSI and the logarithmic MACD here, and you can see exactly the kind of situations that we wanted to see play out with the RSI and the logarithmic MACD, and of course price on the total market cap. But I think one thing to pay attention to here is the I think we're potentially going to get another hit to the high for this RSI here. I would like to see it come below that high of 93 back in March 2021. I'm thinking something more along the lines of 82, 83 for the market cycle to prepare to peak. We also know that the RSI does not mark the tops. Take a look at that top of the RSI back in 2021. It carried on a little bit further, and the same back in August 2017. So I do believe a little bit further to go on the RSI and a little bit further to go up on the total market caps. I did post a video in the Patreon a couple of weeks ago outlining all of the rotational aspects of the market, the total market cap charts and the predictions, and also the rotational aspects moving into total 2, total 3 and the others chart as well. So yeah, like I say, if you're part of the Patreon, go and check that video out. But on the lower time frame, guys, I do believe potentially a little bit of chopping around these regions. We're at key levels now, but I do believe there's that final push to go on the total market cap. So in terms of the average, I would like to see the average kind of converge up at this level to get another hit of that trend line and the actual RSI to go in for a high, and then our bearish divergence to appear sometime in 2025 to give us the clue of when the cycle is done. I'm thinking around, I've got more specific targets on the Patreon, but I'm thinking around 5 trillion for the total market caps, and the rotational aspect of the market as well to come into the others and the altcoin market. So here on the logarithmic MACD, I'm kind of looking for another hit to the high on both of these averages, to be honest, to then go in for a potential cross, just like we've had at the end of each cycle. Mania phase here of the market, cross after, mania phase, cross after. So I would like to see the cross occur after that, and when we do see that cross, it'll likely have already meant that we've hit our peak in this market, preparing for the next bear market, which I do believe will come back down to these levels. Many people say it's impossible, but at the same time, guys, many people said back in 2022 it was impossible to reach these highs, and you can see how the market has simply played out by analysing on the higher time frame. So it's long-term analysis here. All we need to see now is the final phase of the market play out. I do believe we're in the final phase. Volatility will increase. It'll get absolutely extraordinary, but the mania phase will attract everyone to the market. And as we've seen recently, we've got Donald Trump releasing his own coin. We've got Melanie Trump. It won't surprise me if Barron brings a coin out. And we've got all of these different aspects now driving people into the market to give them a little bit of success. We can't have people coming into the market now and getting washed out straight away. I don't believe. We need to give these people a little bit of success, just like people got a bit of success back in 2021, where the market ran up for another 2, 3, 4 months after the actual mania phase of Tesla announcing that they're going to buy Bitcoin. Um, and then altcoins going on the absolute surge. So yeah, guys, I think a macro view here. Just wanted to upload a video to X, as I recognise it's been a long time since I have. If you appreciate the content, just give it a retweet, give it a like. You know what to do. It helps support and grow the channel. At the same time, if you do want to support in a little bit of a better way, you can join the Patreon as well. I think maybe there's about 1 or 2 spaces left at the minute. We're kind of keeping it at a maximum capacity because we don't want the group to get too large, and we don't want people to, well, myself, I need to be able to respond to people's requests and have a good relationship with the audience. I can't be doing that with too many people in the group, so yeah, I think maybe about 1 or 2 spaces left in there at the minute. So if you want to join in on that, you can do. Just sit back, relax, guys, let the market do the work, don't let the leverage wipe you out, and take it easy.